SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, this is your mentor Vedika, and today we are going to start our topic nouns. So nouns is a topic that you have been learning in the previous classes also. So let's start this topic by reading the given paragraph. Rakesh, Peter and Rizwan are friends. They went to Delhi for an outing. Rizwan's sister Shabana and Peter's brother Harry also accompanied them. Rakesh went there with his mother. They had also visited a zoo. They saw tigers, lions, giraffes, elephants, monkeys and leopards in the zoo. Rakesh offered some bananas to one of the monkeys. Shabana purchased some peanuts there. All of them were happy. Happiness could also be seen on their faces. Now, if you have paid attention, there are some words that are highlighted in the given paragraph. यहाँ कुछ words हैं जो हमें pink color में highlighted नजर आ रहे हैं. So what are these words? There is Rakesh, Peter, Rizwan, Shabana, Harry, sister, mother, brother. These are related to people. ये सब जो words हैं जैसे कि राकेश, पीटर, रिजवान etc. ये सब words किससे जुड़े हैं, किससे related है? Related to people. Now there is tiger, lion, giraffe, elephant, monkey. Now they are the names of animals. Next we have banana, peanuts. These are the names of goods and things. ये चीज़ों के नाम हैं. And then there is Delhi and zoo, जो कि places के नाम हैं. And now in the last we have happiness, that is the state of a feeling. Feelings भी हम nouns में ही count करते हैं. Nouns होते क्या हैं? किसी भी चीज़ के नाम. Either the name of a person, a place, a thing or even a feeling. जो कि हमने अभी ऊपर example में देखा happiness, which is a feeling. It could have been joy. Joy भी क्या है? एक feeling. वो भी क्या है? एक noun. Let's read the definition first. That is, noun is a naming word which includes the name of both living and non-living things. Noun also includes name of feelings. So feelings is a new topic here which we will be learning in this class only. The given exercise you have to do with the explanation I just gave you above. For example, one has been done for you. Chairperson. So it has two words and you have to separate them. Chairperson divides into chair and person. These are two words, and there are other such words which you have to do in such manner. Let's move forward. Next we have common nouns. Let's see what are common nouns. Common nouns are the names of those people, places, things and animals which come under the category or class, which come under the same category or class. So they are the names of those people, places or things. उन लोगों के, उन जगहों के या उन चीज़ों के नाम जो एक same category में आते हैं. For example, boys. Boys includes all the boys, right? Girl or mountain, schools, they do not have a proper name. They do not have a special name. So they will come under the common nouns. So they are described in general. Common nouns are described in general and they are not specific. वो specific नहीं होते, general होते हैं. For example, boy, a boy whose name is not given. उस boy का नाम नहीं दिया है. It's just the boy. Same girl or school. School का भी नाम नहीं given है, right? It's just a common school. For example, dogs are faithful. So we are talking about all the dogs but not a single dog in specific. This city is very nice. So there is no name of the city given. We are just talking about the city that is very nice. So it will also come under the category of common nouns. So because they do not have any specific name, we have not given any specific name to the dog or the city. Again, there are some exercises given which you have to do on the basis of the explanation I just gave you above. So here you have to fill in the blanks with common nouns which are given in the box. There are some common nouns given in the box which you have to fill in the blanks. I hope you will be able to do it on your own. Next, let's read proper nouns. Now, proper nouns tell us about special names. Now we have the special names. For example, name of the place, person, months, days, planets, special occasions, books, epics, etc. All these come under the category of proper noun. For example, Jackie is my faithful dog. Now, in the above example of common noun, we read dogs are faithful. There we were talking about all the dogs in general. Now we are talking about Jackie, a specific dog who is very faithful. Next, there is Bengaluru is a nice city. Now again we are talking about a specific city but not a city in general. Why? Because we are given the name of the city, that is Bengaluru. And you should always keep in mind that proper nouns will always begin with the capital letter. Now, festivals and special occasions are also included in the list of proper nouns. तो proper nouns की list में हम festivals और special occasions को भी count करते हैं. That could be any festival, any special occasion. For example, Diwali or Gandhi Jayanti or even someone's birthday, that we can count under this category. Now it is clear from the examples that dog and city come under the same category of common nouns as they don't have any specific name. So dog और city जो थे वो एक same category के अंदर आते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको कोई specific name नहीं दिया हुआ है. Whereas in case of proper nouns, dog and city are replaced by their specific names. And in case of proper nouns, हमने dog और city को एक specific name के साथ change कर दिया, replace कर दिया. That is Jackie and Bengaluru respectively. So it switched the category and it now comes under the category of proper nouns. Now again we have an exercise given for the proper nouns. And this you have to do on the basis of the explanation of the proper nouns I just gave you. And other exercises also you have to do on the explanation I just gave. And if you are unable to understand something, just go through the video once again and then start doing the exercises. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's meet in the next video. Bye-bye.